Yo, what's up, guys? ColbyHam412 here. Now, anyways, this is the first time in the line I'm gonna reveal to you the best pranks on YouTube that were ever pulled in the history online. Like from last year to, obviously, to the past. Now, anyways, this is the top 10. This ain't top 5. This is top 10 best air horn pranks in the line. And before I get to the pranks, you all are wondering, where's Tuesday Night War? But don't worry, you guys will see it first thing tomorrow. I promise you'll see it. Now, anyways, let's get to the pranks, shall we?
You like my new TV?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Why would you do that?
What's up, guys? Before we get to our number 1 pick, now I know you're saying to yourselves, come on, Cole, let's just get to number 1. Now, before we get to that, here are a few honorable mentions before we get to number 1. So, here are a few honorable mentions.
Bakey.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. This was top 10 best air horn pranks on YouTube. So anyways, leave a comment down area below of which more top 10s you want to see of the air horn pranks or anything else you want to see. Leave me a comment in the area below. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more. And be sure to give Sting versus Shawn Michaels a big thumbs up on DGDX Animation. The more you like Sting versus Shawn Michaels, the more you're going to see CM Punk versus Daniel Bryan for the NYX Wrestling Championship. Anyways, thanks for watching, you guys. Tell Darkstar Gaming, or should I say, tell DG and Darkstar Gaming I said, what's up?